guys? Brian with SoCo Customs, and today we have a 2022 Ford F-350 dually. We sent this up on the 2.5-inch leveling kit from Icon Vehicle Dynamics. This is the Stage 1 kit. The Stage 1 kit is a great kit for on-road ride. Once you start getting into the Stage 2 through 6 or whatever stages they have, you're going to get a lot more of a performance-oriented ride, which might beat you up a little bit on the highway. Once you do get off-road, those valves open up and you get a great ride, a great performance out of this kit. Now these wheels are something special. Dually Design Company got into the forged game and also got into the super single game. With the traditional kits, you get a dually wheel on the front, much like this. However, this customer opted to go with these new super single. These are the mesh in the 22-inch size. The tires are the 35-1250 BFG KO2s. These are a classic. They are a huge favorite among a lot of our customers. This customer also tows quite a bit, so we wanted to create a setup that not only had the helper bags, but also some auxiliary air so he could fill up lake toys and things of that nature. The compressor and the controller are made by Viair, and a huge shout out to our guys for making this look almost OE. They were extremely thoughtful in where they hid certain things and in making this kit look awesome. And the bags are the Airlift Load Lifter 7500 Ultimates. All right guys, Brian, SoCo Customs, give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow, and make sure to give us a shout if you do want a kit like this in your Ford F-350.